guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really fun as I will be transforming myself into my zodiac sign, that is Taurus, from makeup to hairstyle and outfit, each and everything. And lastly, I will play a game and I'll check that whether I'm true to my zodiac sign or not. And the zodiac sign challenge has been in trend for a while now and I've seen many creators taking up this challenge. So I thought, okay, let's do this, and I'm very late to think that, but that's okay. So if you enjoy, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. So my zodiac sign is Taurus, the hard workers, mehnati insan I am, and I have searched a lot about Taurus makeup, outfit and hairstyle, and कुछ pictures मिले. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा Pinterest पे search किया, कुछ pictures मिले. We'll take those pictures as a reference. So before starting the makeup, let's make a bun first, or a high pony. So we have this picture right here, and as you all can see कि Taurus का जो eye makeup है is quite soft toned, and इसके जो पूरे lid के color हैं वो soft pink है, whereas the corners are magenta color. So we'll start with the eye makeup, and I've already done my base and eyeliner. So let's go and let's do this. We'll start with eyebrow filling, then we'll move towards eyeshadow. So we are completely done with the eyeshadow and eyebrows, and I've tried to blend it the way it is shown in the picture, and I'm extremely sorry I forgot to mention that I'll be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. And now we'll move on to the mascara, and I'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. So as per my zodiac sign, मैंने मेरा eye makeup कर लिया है. Now for the lips, let's move on to the other picture. And according to this picture, Taurus lipstick थोड़ा maroonish brown या brownish maroon है. I think I wish I've read colors in the previous semesters, पर जो भी है let it be. And ये exact same lipstick मेरे पास है, but I don't think ये pink toned eye makeup के साथ जाएगा. But since this is zodiac sign challenge, I have to do it. So this is the final Taurus makeup look. Taurus makeup completely done. Now it's time for the hairstyle part, and according to this picture, Taurus hairstyle में जो front hair layers हैं, they are taken backwards and folded and rotated in a way, whereas the left out hairs are properly straightened. So just keep it aside. And I have my hairs right here. I have these pins right here, and I have my hair straightener right here. Let's do this. Done with the Taurus hairstyle. Taurus makeup and hairstyle तो completely हो चुका है. Now it's time for the outfit. Let's check this out. And I'm lucky enough क्योंकि Taurus का जो outfit है वो बहुत ही pretty सा light pink और cream color का net gown है. And I have one similar net gown in a very light color. Let me wear it and wait for the final clip. this Taurus zodiac sign turned out so good. I'm feeling like a Disney princess right now. Now there's another round of checking that whether I'm true to my zodiac sign or not. So let's do it. For that, I'll Google 10 signs that you are a true Taurus. So here we have so many results and I'll read it out one by one. The first one is you love nice things, quality over quantity. Yes, I love nice things and I prefer quality over quantity any day. So this is absolutely correct. You enjoy luxury. Oh, come on. Everyone enjoys luxury and everyone wishes to live a luxurious life. So this is extremely obvious. You appreciate the finer side. Yes, earlier I used to do that and I appreciated that, but these days I try to know a person in and out and then only I form a certain perception about someone, because there are coconut like people, hard and tough from outside but really soft and emotional from inside, so we have to consider them also. You are very loyal. This is, yeah, I'm extremely loyal to myself, to my work and to who I am, but when it comes to relationship, it completely depends on the other person, what I feel about that person, and the other person can tell you in a correct manner. You can be quite stubborn. Yes, I can be quite stubborn, but I'm not that stubborn every time, so this is not completely true for me. You are reliable and trustworthy. Yes, I am absolutely reliable and trustworthy. And मेरे पास बहुत सारे लोगों के बहुत सारे dark secrets और secrets हैं and I have kept it in grave क्योंकि याद ही नहीं रहता है सबसे बड़ी बात. And surprisingly, I don't know why people choose me इतने सारे लोग में to tell their secrets. So this is just so. Yeah, you will persevere through difficult situation. Yes, I'm definitely that person who try to make my way out even the situation is worse. So yeah, this is true. You like to take a practical approach. Yes, I love to take a practical approach and that is how life should go. Practical होना बहुत ज़रूरी है to make a firm decision and to stick by it, to stand by it. And you like, no, sorry, you enjoy things pleasing to your senses. Yes, bilkul, this is really obvious. The last one is you really change your mind once you make a decision. I don't think I completely owe this quality as I just can't make a decision quickly. I am quite confused insan, so I have this thing, but once I take a decision, I am someone who really stick by it, stand by it, and बहुत मुश्किल है उसको change करना. So somewhere this is correct. So yeah, that was it for Zodiac Sign Challenge, Taurus Zodiac Sign Challenge, and yeah, it was fun and I finally took this challenge. So proud of myself. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you enjoyed then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down more video requests, and please share it with others and do take this challenge क्योंकि ये बहुत normal है. It's not necessary कि आप उस पे एक video बनाओ ही, but please take this challenge, it would be fun. And yeah, please subscribe to this channel. We are very close to 5,000. I'm so happy. I Pyaar you guys. Bye bye.